Hi guys, my name is Max and you're watching our pilot episode of CXDojo Tech Digest. Let's go! Valve is getting into the handheld gaming business. The rumors were right and the Steam Deck is coming this year, a handheld device that can play any game in your Steam library. It's aiming to be the Nintendo Switch for PC gaming. Essentially, so the Steam Deck can do a lot more than just play games. That's because it's not just a game console. In fact, it's a really portable PC that you can plug into a monitor or TV, install apps and software, use it to watch streaming video and more, even install other game stores on it. Well, finally, because who the f need Mario games in 2021?
Nani?
Moving forward, and let's look at the new record for Xiaomi. In second quarter of 2021, global smartphone shipments increased by 12% since new normal for economies and citizens started to take shape after vaccines rolled out around the world. Samsung was the first leading vendor with a 19% of shared smartphones shipped, while Xiaomi took the second place for the first time ever with a 17th of global share rate. By the way, Apple was just third with 14%. Think about it, Tim Cook. A milestone that only Facebook and its group of apps have reached was actually accomplished by TikTok, as it has been downloaded more than 3 billion times around the world, showing that the social media giant isn't the only app that people can't live without. Man, we done with this? Stop using TikTok while you're making a job, please. Finish the recording. Netflix is planning to expand its horizons by entering the video gaming market by the next year. The games may appear as a new content genre, similar to its documentary and stand-up specials, and might be initially offered with no extra charge. The streaming platform is making the first big move beyond TV shows and films and has hired a former Electronic Arts and Facebook executive Mike Furter as its vice president of game development. While video games give Netflix another way to get new customers and also offer something unique and different from what competitors currently provide. Okie dokie then guys, I think that's it for now. We'll be continue providing you with the hottest news of the week and hope to see you on Friday. Of course, feel free to leave your feedback about this video, because I hope you liked our pilot.